Good day, guys. If you want free AI models similar to VEO3 for writing, code, or multimodal tasks, here are the best no-cost alternatives you can use right now. So the first one is going to be GPT-4o. So this one, but the mini version of it. So this is a compact, open version of GPT-4, optimized for speed and cost-free access. It can generate text, summaries, Q&A, and basic reasoning tasks with high quality. The next one is Llama, or Alpaca, or Vicuna. Either of these. You can use these models, and they are open source, large language models, and you can run them also locally on free cloud tiers. They're flexible for chat, creative writing, and development tasks. And then we have Claude, free tiers. So it offers a free tier that you can use in the browser and API for safe, helpful text generation. It's strong at summarization and conversational AI. So if VEO is out of budget, you can use GPT-4o Mini, open source Llama, variants, Claude free tier, or hosted model interfaces as great free alternatives. Hopefully this helps you and assists you guys. If it did help you, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. And of course, thank you for watching.